Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and today I have an unboxing and review of the Cobo Tablet Punch. Let's do it. Okay, the packaging is definitely not the same as the last Cobo wallet, Cobo I reviewed, but as long as it works. All right, so okay, we have the plates, and then we have here the punch. Okay, so I have the plates here. So 1 to 6, 7 to 12, 13 to 18, and 19 to 24. So this is how you store all your cryptocurrency seed word, the 24 seed words that you would be given once you buy a crypto wallet like the Ledger Nano. So when you get a Nano or any Bit39 protocol wallet, you will be given 24 C words, and you write down the C words, and these C words mathematically generate your Bitcoin private key. So if you ever lose your Bitcoin wallet, you can just get another one, and then using these 24 words, you can restore your wallet. The problem, of course, as I talked about in the previous video, that keeping these words on paper is probably not the best way to do it because it gets wet, fire. This can easily be destroyed. So you should keep these seed words in something that's more permanent and indestructible. And this is one way to do it: the Cobo Punch. So the Cobo tablet has slots for you to put the words in here. So you would use these letters, and then you would use that to create the words. The punch does a little differently. So what you do is you see that you got A to Z, and then you got four little boxes and slot 1 to 6. So what you do is you just basically, the first letter, you just hit the punch. So if the first letter is John, I would find the letter J here, J, mark a J, and I would use this, and this will actually punch onto the metal and create a little hole. And the little hole is like, I'll give you an example. I guess I think I'll punch it on a piece of wood to show how this works. So hold on. All right, so we'll use this fidget spinner as an example. So basically, this punch, you just put it down, and once you put it down, it will actually punch a hole into it. Watch. Yeah. There you go. See the hole? Yeah. So it will punch a hole next to the letter. So I would, so assuming the first word is John, I would take J and I would just push down, and it will punch a hole in the J. And then the second letter, I would go to the O and punch the O, and then the third letter, H, and punch the H, and then I would punch the N, and that will make my first word. And then you do the same for all 6 for the 6, and then you do 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, and you would punch them all, and then you would have a list of 24 words. And again, 4 slots, because you only need the first 4 letters, even though the Bit39 list of words, some words have more than 4 letters, but you only need the first 4 because the first letters of every word is all unique. So like example here, gas, G-A-S, so you just punch G, punch the G, punch the A, punch the S, and then just leave the fourth one blank, and you know the word is gas. So setup is a lot simpler, a lot easier than this. For this, I have to take my time to, first of all, unscrew all 13 screws, move this, put all the letters in, screw everything back, then put everything together. This is like half an hour to set that up. This, you can punch all this in probably 10 minutes. And once you punch it, you just put it together like so. Let's see, and then this goes in like so. So you line it all up here in the plate. and then you just apply some zip ties on here, or a lock, or whatever you want. And once you do that, it is secure. Store it somewhere, and it's totally safe. Now, this has several advantages over using this. The first advantage is that there's less parts. Like this has a lot of parts in it. So like, you got individual letters, individual slot. So there's a possibility if this one gets warped or bent, the letters may pop out. With the Cobo punch, they're just only 3 pieces of metal. So if this gets warped, like it gets bent, odds are you can still see the punch area, so you don't have to worry about losing a letter. Like if this gets bent and letters pop out, you may lose the word, and if you lose the words, you're pretty much screwed. So this, a lot easier to set up, and in a way also more secure because, like I said, less parts to lose, less parts to come loose. So this is the Cobo Tablet Punch, and honestly, I like it more than the Cobo Tablet Plus. This is a lot more involved in setup. Like I realize you only got to do it once, but it's still pretty involved. Like good half an hour to set this up. This do it in a matter of less than 10 minutes. And I feel this is actually more secure. Like I said, if this gets bent and warped or something like that, no letters fall out, less moving parts. And also, the price. This is only $24. So for $24 versus 49 bucks, you can buy 2 of these for the same price of 1 of these. So I would definitely pick up 2 of these, punch to 24 words, keep one somewhere, keep another one somewhere else, total backup. Yeah. Link to get this product below this video if you want to pick one up or pick a couple up. Yeah. I like it. John Chow from johnchow.com. Thank you very much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like that. Please like and share my videos, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time.